Well, some more of the green ribbon design Aynsley. We have got the pattern reference number on the website listing for these. Older than it looks as well, this goes back to century before last, 1890s through to around 1904. The green ribbon is a very pretty little design, very simplistic but just so elegant with its gilt rims, quite plain in the moulds used by Aynsley at this time. These are 7-inch side plates. We've had demi-tasse coffee cups, teacups and saucers come through in this design, and they're always snapped up quite quickly. These 3 side plates came out of a mixed box that we're working our way through our warehouse currently with the china we've bought over the last 5 to 10 years, to be absolutely honest. I've had a backlog of stuff waiting to be listed and came across these in isolation with no other plates or pieces in the tea set. Aynsley green crown of marks, England, date it to after 1891, I think, from memory. Was 1878. Anyway, the dates will be on the website listing where we've done the research. I do tend to come and video these in batches a couple of days later, and older I get, the less I retain of the information that I research. Nice clean plates, very good surfaces, as you can see on the glaze reflection, hardly a mark on them considering these are, you know, late Victorian, and the transfer print and gilt retained around the rims. If I put them in a stack, just look how bright that gilt retention is all the way around. Hardly anywhere on them at all. They are really unusually clean and pretty. Examples of Aynsley green ribbon. Can't remember the pattern number, but it's on the website listing, and we'll pop a link in the video description below so you can click over and get all the information. Thanks for watching.